Hello students, today we're going to do Chapter 5, Section 1. We're going to learn about the history of the periodic table. Up until the 1850s, there weren't very many elements that were known. So until 1750-80, only 17 elements had been identified. In 1789, a French guy named Antoine Lavoisier, he grouped the elements and he grouped them into metals, nonmetals, gases, and earths. Then, after the 1850s, we've had more between when Antoine Lavoisier did that and 1850 afterwards. A lot more elements have been discovered. So Dmitry Mendeleev came along. I believe he had 63 elements to work with, so a lot more than Antoine Lavoisier had. And he organized them by mass and into columns. He found that the elements in the same column had similar properties. And based on these properties of known elements, Mendeleev left gaps in the table for elements that had not been discovered yet. As elements were discovered, they fit into the spots that he left open. This proved the usefulness of his table. This is what his table looked like. So as you can see, they increased by mass. So we started with hydrogen having a mass of 1, and then it increased as you went across. And then these ones that had a question mark were the ones that he left gaps for. So he had titanium, and he thought it fit better with the carbon and silicon group, and so he moved that over and left a gap. And then what he did is he estimated the mass for the unknown element. And what happened is when new elements were discovered, they fit nicely into those gaps. So his periodic table was very useful. That was it for today's notes.